like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
I did what I needed to do. I did 15 crunches. I did 6 leg lifts, and I did a 10-second plank. It didn't like kill me or anything, but I'm out of practice, and so it was. That sounds like a very little amount of exercise to be like. I'm not like winded, well, like no, but it did. I got a little moisture. You know, right here on my forehead. No, there's not sweat. It's just a little moisture. But I'm proud of myself for getting up and doing that. Because, again, you just have to start. The hardest part is starting. And I'm telling you, starting over is probably even harder than just starting in the first place. Starting over when you know you were already there. You know you already had momentum. You know you already had it and you lost it. Slipped through your pickles. That's cool though, because it'll be back. It'll be back. Eye tracks and momentum will be back. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited again to build up this momentum for my YouTube during Vlogtober. I'm also going to do Vlogmas. So we're going to do that. I don't even know if y'all just heard my stomach growl, but I had some water. That was literally all I had, but I mean, that's not all I ate all today. I had some arroz con pollo and some pastillos earlier, but for dinner, and not for dinner, for right before bed, I just had some water. But I promise y'all I'll vlog every single day. What I do not promise is that it's going to be long. It might be 5 minutes some days. Some days it might be 20 or 30 minutes. Some days it might be a quick 3-minute check-in. But every single day I am going to post. Now, with that said, I am on my way out to go take a shower. I gotta get to bed because I have some things to do in the morning and I need to be rested for that. Oh, before I go, let me hop into this because I've been meaning to get into this package since I got the package. It arrived probably the end of July. That's how long this package has been sitting here. I have a discount code for y'all at everything. It was some PR that was sent to me. So thank you so much. Let me go ahead and grab that. Let me go ahead and get into it. Now this package is from Protein World. They were so kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wouldn't mind sharing this with my audience. And I definitely don't mind sharing this with my audience. Do I mind sharing this with my audience? No. I haven't had a chance to try anything yet, but I just wanted to unbox it with y'all. And then I'm going to try everything and let you know how I like it. And then, of course, I'll put the discount code here so that you can see what it is. Now, the first thing I got was this Feel Good, Look Good. Feel Good. Oh, wait. Feel Good, Look Great cup. And I guess these are milliliters and ounces. So it goes up to 25 ounces. There's no straw or anything like that. It's just a insulated water bottle. So I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm assuming it's kind of like the Stanley cup where it'll keep stuff cold on the inside. I don't know. So we'll check it out and see. It might just be a standard sippy cup. They also sent me a fat metabolizer capsule, and these are all natural supplements. So, and let's see here. So this is a thermogenic fat metabolizer. Baby, we know I need a fat metabolizer. We're trying to metabolize as much fat as possible. Well, not all of it, because you know I like being soft. But as much as possible. In my old age, I need reading glasses to read what's on here. Where am I reading? Yeah, I don't even know where my reading glasses are. I have to think what purse they're in. It might be over here. I don't know. Let me look and see if I can just read this real quick. Give me a second. So, one dose is 2 capsules, and you get... How many capsules in here? 90 capsules. So, it's a 45-day supply. So, I'm going to start taking these. I'm going to read the directions on how you're supposed to take these, and I will start these now. I literally just took a bunch of vitamins just now. I took my 1-a-day multivitamin. I took my omega-3 fish oils. And just so y'all know, these are linked in my Amazon store. These are called omega-3 fish oils by Triple Strength. If you use fish oil, then you'll know that sometimes it can, like, when you eliminate it from your body, you smell fishy. Like, it can have that fishy smell, or you burp up a fishy taste or whatever. These don't have that. This is what it looks like. If you have a hard time taking pills, don't get it, because it's not a small pill. But it is squishy. So, you don't want to break it open either, so you have to take it whole. But yeah, it doesn't leave you burping up any fishy. I've been taking these for a long time now. This came with 90 soft gels, and that's a 90-day supply because it's only 1 per serving. So, I also take iron, because we as Black people tend to have low iron. I don't eat liver. I try to get as many leafy greens in as possible. I like spinach. I need to get more kale in there. Kale be just so hard to chew. Like, it's tough. It's not collard green season, but it's upon us. Collard green season is upon us. But I take a supplementary iron pill anyway. So I just took all those. So I don't know if I'm going to take this yet. I'm going to read up more on it, and then I'll let you know. Oh, they also sent me a multivitamin. Oh my gosh. So once my 1-a-day is out, then I also have these. So I'm appreciative of that. And again, 1 serving is 2 capsules, and it has 90 capsules, so a 45-day supply. And then it's Protein World. So this is a high protein pizza mix. So as far as calories and everything goes, let's see here. It may be made in a factory that contains sugars and wheat. So if you're allergic to wheat and sugar, don't get this. But it has pretty simple directions on it. And let's see how much. You can get some fiber in here. Let's see here. 18 grams of protein. For the people that's trying to get protein in, you know how hard that can be sometimes. And the amount of protein that they say you need to take in for your body weight be a lot. Like for me, they say I'm supposed to have, I think, like 60 grams of protein. That seems like a lot, but this would definitely help. So I don't know if the serving size will be the whole pie and all of that, but oh wait, there's 6 servings in this bag. So maybe this makes 1 large pizza. Or if you wanted to, you could do like 6 like personal pan pizzas or whatever. So it's just a powder dough. It's a powder mix, and then you mix it up and you bake it up like it's pizza dough. Like, I think we're all smart enough to make pizza dough. So again, I'll try this out and I'll let y'all know how this tastes. And then the last thing that I have is a protein pasta. Yo, when I first opened this, this is the very first thing I saw, right? And me and my roommate been talking about making pasta with this protein pasta forever. And I'm like, no, wait, I gotta do an unboxing video. And we've been moving. We had birthday parties. We've been traveling. We did a lot of stuff. So the box just been kind of sitting there. So again, Protein World, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I think I'm just gonna cook up some pesto pasta. I have some delicious pesto downstairs. I'm gonna boil some of these up. And it's pasta, so I'm assuming it's gonna taste like pasta. But it's gonna give me more protein than I need. What? 40 grams? Say less. Say less. So between this and this, if I had 1 serving of this and 1 serving of this, that's my whole protein for the day, pretty much. So I'm excited to get into this, and I'll let y'all know more and more about this once I open it up, and I'll take y'all through a little cooking tutorial. I did a cooking tutorial in my last video. Comment down below if y'all like those. I did like an ASMR type of one. So let me know if y'all like it with ASMR, if y'all like music. So we'll talk about that. But that's it for now. I'm gonna holler at y'all later because I gotta take a shower and get ready for bed.